Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, today guys, I will be showing how to get ancient crimson for those who don't have it. Okay, first go to space. Okay, go to space. Sorry guys, I don't have any Robux, so I cannot buy speed coil or any of these items because they're all Robux. That's why I'm slow. Okay. Here. Now guys, come down. I mean, down here. No, down here there will be a secret place, and it is what was down the Ophony meteor, and you go here guys, here, and okay, and here, and wait, and here. Okay guys, I already collected the ancient crimson trophy, so it's gone, but for y'all who doesn't have it, it is still there because I already collected it. It's gone. Okay, bye guys. Okay, bye guys. Bye.